joint headquarter ding ai chui headquarter to ngai ei guest artist tin la sung for mel ka mathai ya me ma ngai no be khabe le unang nu iming ka iban ta kha Florence sungte ni chu mel ka matha cham cham le naki khan guest artist me thata gal nungha Florence le khan hlom ti interview hung la ka thli na sabok hi thlang do heng khui thlang boka umani lein thli anasa baka tul zol kha thlomin thliung hra chun chok khule khan kamit khalo nom pala chungani lein du tu sa interview hung lak theino apoi khapala then khat lem chun na khole vacancy ruk le ruk no ti dam kha ei hit num ding ania amiru chuk chung thu hai chain don thei tanwa poi ti khapel tu hin hi sakti pangin hol man tia holum na ting kan fe pe ya ingchana hla mani ding ti chu si thealani no ni si danin do heng khu hi mar khu lai chun khu papol tak ania British hun lai tin la British hain Assam ram an op lai khan British hain lekha unpack tin la ong document proof ding in mo khosung chung hai kham chu an ni nan la kol singani ti kha ai hit boka chun in ting pangruk chu in hi som ni la ti velan nel thei chung chun ingen ti som thum chun kai no ti cho chingani nakile imani tia hunrem changai hua in exam ani ti hai khom ei mu thei chane London ding ani tu ta ria ding en la hun phat sin la hole hlung phat le vai khat ei vlog nok tum ding ani solom khopela hi ei hun mangla ding chu ani hi hol khom hi moi tok takin an lo bola
zero secondary hate essay amuluta ka asal impit no successful secretary HYA
hinga hi kan veng hai bormul ko en thok an ni hinga hi voisun lam an present wedding ani bormul ko HYA branch mingin kan mel tha thai so the HYA jo headquarter ai try to know Miss Charming ani Zion
yes James
Bird Festival yes
Bird Festival yes atiri chu lahin
he lungan sit takin
nampu na chai moi tok takel kamis a uma de tu hai chin in chothai jing ani chun maflar kom tam tok takom nge ni inghai local mate wong ani chun bigina pai thei dinga sim moi tak man sai khomong be thung ani Kûtpui
pure mau wangkal salam pahli umangai kan
a holing tidam hei hli rei ti amun hi ala ve me lein chan khat chu thukle ka den nanung hlungal thei no a pui chu an la tam no thu
ane umani chun society tulor kuma initiative dingling ate program coordinator yang ro thani James na telungan sentakin asa American VIP seat na pero James secretary HYA headquarters me pui lungan sentakin asunga lu tayo lungan sentakin dora khan mi pakat bak phal ni lo
chief guest ai kom hola nung thukta mun ya tepen teplin parking zone ding harsameta tupun chief guest security high motor tama tamela lauma hall tool in the team chu thayin kamanna lahung paya motor ko palahunga ko me hamen lein holi no sokole khata hang tungal thain no le ni pui hi tu ta khin chu alla tam no na ki holi shipping ngai thiri tu ta ko HYA headquarter Assam Hills ma hi secretary ni lai jing ani hi Flaming Rupsi ni ama hi MSc of HS Autonomous Council ni ama hi wajtu na dingin guest of honor komani he ni
coming up with the idea of the Festival of Birds at this location. As the Brahmin says, the Lord has done great things for us. We are filled with joy. We welcome wholeheartedly
Miss LB HYA HSA HWA kamakan sung mane ani na lo he NHL numak la ram nem bung pui secretary ba Kûtpui organizing committee ama ma organization department ni na ya nei lu pu active manane
EM education who is watching EM education
burle bel hai kom hian hung choya give dong niom takane
gathering today will create
ni mingai give mo ye
amongst all tribes in Dimahasau. It is a desire and aim that protecting and
nakitan me hil dalang ka hingai po po hung tholo
here will foster
Yo, mane.
in the tourism department and bring Dimahasau to a higher
program
level.
puting ta kai nei thina san jo hi me pui hai le HYA 0 headquarter an ka throi tu le guest artist hai jar tak meu ania chungani le mar special report comment here hello ko warvia feel na le in hit na ai dong ngai hi HYA 0 headquarter Assam Hills president lai me ka ni
Athin koma pro puinale choi moina ein nana vate hi antrang kaya kiltam ta thothen dia hilai phuna ei pathinin dohen red sol ko hilai changa mikol thatak tak vate moi tak ami hung pe hai hi ei ni ami pui hai hin marcha denga lo phangel lowin satrol leng ma ser le lo songel lowin hung hala anni hai in dam tirhi tuta ek Kûtpuin athil tum tak chu ani chule chun tuta in thok chun vate khulzin vate hai an hung no kani chun atuel khoma
as the chief host of this oral anniversary conference and Kûtpui, I welcome each and every one of the individuals who had come far off to celebrate this wonderful occasion, and I wish each and every one of you to have a wonderful day, a wonderful moment on this first Kûtpui celebration, the first of its kind ever at Dohem village. Hun masataka elal pa ipapathin ko malong thu karila henglai huna chief hosa mirup to HWA Mar Youth Association Choral Anniversary Kam Conference Leva Kûtpui Mangna Dinga Celebration Committee Hai Chunga Lom Thu Nasatakin Kang Hila Mipui Munlatak Takan Thoka Hung Tu Haile Voisu Nai Chief Guest Sri Degolal Golorsa Chief Executive Member North Kachar Hills Autonomous Council Hundang Po Mun e manizata mi fepek ngai lovin sin la